Hustle culture is a liar. I'm Kathy. I am the owner of Monarch Therapies. I am a trauma therapist who's NLP trained, and you can connect with us at our website. You can call, you can text, you can fill out a contact form. But let me tell you why hustle culture is a liar. Now, tell me if you've heard any of these phrases. You have to earn to rest. Really? You have to earn to rest? Nope. Resting is your birthright. It's actually physically necessary for you to function. If you're not grinding, you're falling behind. You're not grinding, you're falling behind. Actually, if you're aligned, you're going to be right where you need to be. If you're grinding, how are you actually staying aligned? Your nervous system matters so much more than your to-do list. Sleep when you're dead. No, burnout's going to make you dead. Sleep is actually going to help you live. So if you are hearing that you can sleep when you're dead, wow, how soon is that going to be? More is better. Is it though? I'm more of a quality over quantity girl. So I'm just going to encourage you to think about that. Is more better, or is giving your best and the highest quality what you and the other person or people deserve? You are what you achieve. Wow. Okay. You are what you achieve. Or isn't it better to say, like, you're worthy, and because you just exist, not what you produce? Because we are worthy just from being the people that we are, not because of how you perform. Even circus monkeys are worthy, even if they don't perform. Productivity is the ultimate goal. Ooh, is it? Or is peace and purpose and being present just as valuable, if not more so? Yeah. If you're struggling, just work harder. Really? If you're struggling, just work harder. If you're struggling, how about take a break, figure out, do I have all the resources I need? And then move forward with that. If you're struggling, what's working harder going to do? It's just going to tax you more, use your energy, and create a sloppier or, different outcome that you probably were looking for if you would have just paused, taken a breath, reassessed the situation, and gotten the tools you need. I don't know, isn't that going to give you what you really want? So hustle culture. Liar. I'm just going to call it out. I've been there. I've done that. Haven't written the book yet because my piece is worth so much more. So if you feel like you've been stuck in hustle culture and you'd like to get out of that, give us a call, text, contact us on our website. Happy to talk more about it. And as always, see you. I love it. And I'll talk to you later.